Welcome to Mecproman, where ideas become reality. Every great product starts with an idea. Whether it's a hand sketch, an AI-generated image, or a simple 3D scan, our mission is to transform that concept into a real, manufacturable product. In this project, the client wanted to create a casting mold for a sculpture. However, the only file available was a scanned 3D model generated from the original artwork. When we imported the scan into SolidWorks, it was simply a graphical mesh. Like most scanned files, it contained no editable CAD surfaces or engineering features. That meant it couldn't be modified, analyzed, or used directly for manufacturing. To overcome this challenge, I carefully reconstructed the entire model into accurate CAD geometry. Every important detail of the sculpture was preserved while converting the scan into a fully editable engineering model. Once the CAD model was completed, the next step was designing a complex multi-piece mold that could be manufactured using a standard 3D printer. Each mold section was designed to be printed individually and then assembled together with high precision. Alignment pins were added to ensure that every section fits perfectly in the correct position during assembly. This guarantees that the final cast reproduces every detail of the original sculpture without losing any surface quality. The mold was also engineered with bolt connections, allowing the individual sections to be securely fastened together. Heat set inserts can easily be installed using a soldering iron or another heating tool, creating a strong and durable assembly suitable for repeated use. Because this mold is intended for cement casting, I also designed a dedicated pouring inlet and strategically placed an air vent at the highest point of the sculpture. This allows trapped air to escape during the casting process, preventing air pockets, surface defects, and unwanted cracks while ensuring the cement fills every part of the mold smoothly. Projects like this demonstrate that creating a successful product is much more than simply generating a 3D model. It requires engineering knowledge, manufacturing experience, and careful attention to every technical detail. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more engineering and product design content. At Mecproman, we specialize in transforming ideas into production-ready engineering solutions, from concept to final product. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'll share more details about the engineering process behind this project and explain how we solve some of its most interesting design challenges. See you in the next project.